Welcome to the Lead Management System, a feature designed to simplify how customer leads are tracked, organized, assigned, and managed in our Quantum interface. In this feature demonstration, we will walk you through each section of lead activity and how you can access specific leads using our flawless interface. In your dashboard, you can see our lead overview card. The key information is the number of leads sitting in each part of the student journey. The card also highlights the percentage of students not contacted and the percentage of leads converted to bookings. You can click on this card to open the lead database, showing all lead activity. Every lead generated is broken down into where it comes from, the stage it is in, and who is dealing with it. You can search leads up by category by selecting desired specifications. After selecting the desired categories, you can use the search bar to find the specific student you are looking for. You can also manually import leads to this folder and export chosen leads by clicking the respective buttons in the top right corner. Any comments you wish to include can be added by clicking on the drop-down menu, where you will also see the student's contact information. Any leads that are completed can easily be deleted by clicking the delete button.